Angkatan Bersenjata Federasi Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir. Juru bicara militer Rusia Letnan Jenderal Igor Konasenkov tanggal 28 Agustus merilis serangan artileri dan pasukan dirgantara terus digencarkan ke benteng pertahanan Ukraina. Secara total, 274 pesawat Ukraina dan 148 helikopter, 1.826 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 370 sistem rudal anti pesawat, 4.400 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 822 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 3.349 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 5.095 unit khusus kendaraan militer dihancurkan selama kata Igor Konasenkov. Di media sosial Telegram, beredar rekaman prajurit dari Batalion Marinir terpisah ke-18 dari Brigade Khusus ke-35 Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina menolak untuk berperang. Alasannya prajurit kekurangan amunisi dan minimnya suplai dan perhatian dari komando di Kyiv. Dari kubu Kyiv, Presiden Ukraina Volodymyr Zelensky terus menggalang dukungan Barat dan negara-negara NATO membantu mengusir Rusia. Konflik Rusia-Ukraina memasuki hari 185 belum ada tanda-tanda mereda.
High-precision weapon strikes of the Russian aerospace forces have destroyed the temporary deployment point of the 95th Airborne Assault Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces in Slavyansk of Donetsk People's Republic. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of up to 150 nationalists, as well as 10 units of weapons and military equipment. Allied forces offensive in Donetsk direction has resulted in the losses of the 204th Battalion of the 241st Territorial Defense Brigade near Artyomovsk, exceeding 60% of its personnel. The command of Liman Task Force has withdrawn brigade units from the combat area to Kyiv to be restaffed. High-precision strike near Slavyansk in Donetsk People's Republic has eliminated more than 100 nationalists trained at Ukrainian Armed Forces Reserve Training Center. Operational, tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes continue against Ukrainian defense industry facilities, where weapons are manufactured and repaired. High-precision weapons of the Russian aerospace forces have hit production halls where Ukrainian Air Force helicopters were being repaired at Motosich plant in Zaporozhye city. In addition, 3 Ukrainian command posts, including those of the 54th Mechanized Brigade near Kurachovo of Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 42 artillery units at firing positions, and 139 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration have been hit. One oil storage depot near Nikopol in Dnepropetrovsk region, which was used to supply fuel to Ukrainian units in Donbass, has been destroyed. 8 missile and artillery weapons and ammunition depots near Seversk, Kramatorsk, Lakli in Donetsk People's Republic, Travnevoye in Kharkov region, Kavkaz in Nikolaev region, and Margonets in Dnepropetrovsk region have also been destroyed. Russian air defense means have shot down 6 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Staromayorskoye, Dokuchaevsk, Komsomolsky, Maximovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Semenovka in Kharkov region, and Belaya Krynitsa in Kherson region. 28 projectiles of Olha and HIMARS multiple launch rocket systems have been intercepted near Olginka, Novotroitskoye in Donetsk People's Republic, Chernobyevka in Kherson region, Antonovsky and Daryevsky bridges, and Novokakhovskaya hydroelectric power plant. In addition, 1.U ballistic missile has been shot down in the air near Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region. In total, 274 Ukrainian airplanes and 148 helicopters, 1,826 unmanned aerial vehicles, 370 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,400 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 822 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,349 field artillery and motors, as well as 5,095 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation. Kyiv regime continues provocations to threaten a man-made nuclear disaster in Zaporozhye nuclear power plant. Over the past 24 hours, 2 Ukrainian artillery attacks on the territory of the nuclear power plant have been recorded. A total of 9 shells have been fired. 3 shells hit near Special Building number 2, where TVL's fresh nuclear fuel and solid radioactive waste are stored. As a result of the shells hitting the nuclear power plant area, pipeline line was hit by shrapnel. As a result of the second shelling, one shell landed near Unit 6 and 5 other shells fell in front of Unit 6 pumping station, which provides cooling for the reactor. Ukrainian artillery shelling of the nuclear power plant was carried out from Marganets area in Dnepropetrovsk region. In counter-battery warfare, Ukrainian units shelling nuclear power plant have been suppressed by return fire. Currently, a full-time technical staff monitors the technical condition of the nuclear power plant and ensures its operation. The radiation situation in the nuclear power plant area remains normal.